Guys, I have just picked up the Philips OnePlus Ace 6 Ultimate Edition. A lot of you have been asking to see how this phone handles PUBG at a smooth 160 FPS. Okay, no problem, I've got you covered. Let's start with the design. For the display, it's a 6.78-inch screen with a resolution of 2772 by 1272 and a 165 Hz refresh rate. It features a metal frame and a glass back. The colorway I have here is called Ace Awakening. In terms of performance, it's powered by the Dimensity 9500 processor. The model I have is the 12GB Pro 256GB version, and it comes with an 8600 mAh battery. I ran a quick benchmark in performance mode and it scored 3.3 million, outperforming 84% of users. For gaming, let's take a look. HDR at 90 FPS, HD at 90 FPS, balanced at 90 FPS, and smooth at 165 FPS. Let's play at 1080p. I've also turned on gaming mode and enabled ultra-fast touch response. Why does the display keep flickering back and forth in such a strange way? The temperature is reading 23.8 and the battery is sitting at 96%. Let us go ahead and get this process started. Everything is looking really good, everyone. I am heading out the door now, so could you tell me what is actually going on? I cannot set it to 1080p. It keeps flickering, guys. Let me try again. Damn, so this is how 720p plays out, and this 1080p, I really don't think I can manage running 1080p, no problem. Let's just go ahead and jump. 162, just like that in a flash, passing right through the clouds with zero lag. Alright, I am landing now, 19, yeah, that will do. To there. Let's just play for 27 minutes and 55 seconds. And I'm gonna check my phone now that I've finished using it. It shows 48.5, and there is 87% of the battery remaining, and it has consumed 9%. Now let me take a closer look at this last one. Yeah, it's still there. Still flickering as usual. Let's take a look at the frame rate graph. The average is 160.7. We're playing at 720p and the frame rate is, well, a straight line. Based on my experience with this phone, it's smooth at 165 FPS and at 720p it's a straight line. If you want to enable 1080p, there seems to be a compatibility issue. The responsiveness is fine, but it does get pretty hot. So, for those of you who have already got your hands on the phone, how does it handle PUBG at 1080p and 160 FPS?